Chapter 4. Current assets is the first topic we'll talk about, and question number 1 deals with current assets. A current asset is an asset the company expects to use up in 1 year or less. From this list, going from the top down, we're supposed to calculate current assets for the Jones Company. So from the top down, here are the current assets. First, we've got prepaid insurance. Next, we have cash going down the list here. Third item would be accounts receivable, and that would be all of our current assets, and they total out to be $49,200. Question 2 and 3 deals with current ratio. The current ratio is a financial ratio that tries to answer the following question: can the company pay its bills on time? And the current ratio is calculated as follows: current assets divided by current liabilities. Remember, current assets are assets we expect to use up within a year, and current liabilities are expected to be paid off within a year. For this ratio, higher is better. The higher the ratio, the better your current ratio position is. And usually the rule of thumb is a 2-to-1 ratio. That is, you should have $2 of current assets for every dollar you have in current liabilities. So, question number 2, calculate the current ratio for the Jones Company. We first of all, from this list, top down, we're going to put together the current assets, then the current liabilities, and then make the calculation. So current assets are going to be $24,400, which would be cash, $16,700, which are accounts receivable, and $7,300, which is prepaid insurance. All that equals $48,400. And then our current liabilities are $18,400, which would be accounts payable, $3,100, which would be interest payable, and $5,700, which is unearned revenue, another liability. And then the next step would be to take the current assets divided by the current liabilities. 48,400 divided by 27,200 gives us a current ratio of 1.78 to 1. That means we have $1.78 in current assets for every dollar we have in current liabilities. And we said before, a 2-to-1 ratio is better, or it's a rule of thumb. So it looks like this company may have problems paying their current bills. Next, question number 3. Calculate the current ratio for Smith Company. So current assets are given to us, $79,000. Current liabilities are also given to us, $47,000. And the current ratio, 79,000 divided by 47,000, gives us a current ratio of 1.68 to 1, which means, again, it's below the 2-to-1 ratio, so therefore it looks like this company may also have a little problem paying their bills. Okay, that's the end of Chapter 4. We'll stop here and use another video to go into Chapter 5.